Help support our coverage with PureVPN, the fast, secure way to protect your connection at home or on the go. Get exclusive savings now at techpodcast.com/PureVPN.
Jason, I'm Don Baine. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm alive. It's CES.
That's
excited
a good
to be
thing.
here. How are you doing?
It's too early to tell. Too early to tell. So tell us about Aiper.
So what we are, essentially, we're trying to solve a problem most people have: chores, maintenance, things that most people don't like to do.
That could be anything.
Yeah, exactly. But with the yard especially, it eats up the time. It eats up the energy, and we're trying to solve that across the entire yard.
Okay.
We are most known for our pool cleaners, and that's what we're going to be talking about today.
I hate my pool.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, most people do, especially the cleaning part.
Oh, my God.
That's what we're here for.
Okay.
So we're really excited because this year we're introducing the Scuba V3 line, and what is exciting about that is we have what is called cognitive AI on our
cognitive AI. Are you telling me it's going to be artificial intelligence down there?
Everything's artificial intelligence today, but the great thing about us is ours is on board, and one of the best things, one of the important parts for the people who are interested in this is we're not collecting, storing, or uploading any data. This happens all on the device.
Okay. That's a good thing.
Yeah, it's like a lot of other places do cloud processing, and we really want to protect the people who trust us with their pools and their yards.
Okay. Do you have any pictures or anything of this?
So we do have it on.
Cool. Check this baby out. Yeah. I'm going to take this back to Phoenix and drive it home. Wow, look at this thing.
Oh, yeah, I mean, and
it reminds me of like Lloyd Bridges. Remember him? Or no, you're too young.
I'm a little bit too young for that.
Yeah, okay. Sea Hunt, that was it. Go ahead, wow.
Yeah, so I mean, this is kind of like, as far as pool cleaners go, this is almost like the BMW of pool cleaners.
No kidding.
It looks pretty, it performs well, up to 3 hours, and we've packed it with features. You're going to be able to put this in your pool.
Is this independent, or is there a hose or something that hooks up?
This is completely independent, completely cordless.
So this goes down.
Absolutely.
Okay.
We want this to be as seamless and as carefree as possible for the everyday pool owner.
Okay, so I drop this in the pool. There's an on button. I got to turn it on.
There's an on button, and we also do have app support for it. Yes, but as soon as
so this will work from an app.
It'll also work from an app. So if you're app inclined, if you're tech savvy, absolutely you could do that. But if you're one of those analog people, or if you're a little bit older, you could just press this button.
Hey, watch it. Jeez.
Hey, you can just press the button, and it's going to execute the whole cleaning cycle on its own autonomously.
Now, I see all kinds of crazy stuff on this. I see like a camera. Is that a camera?
Yes.
So tell us about that.
We absolutely have a camera on here. This is our AI patrol cleaning camera. This is able to detect up to 20 different types of objects in your pool. That includes debris, that includes animals, that includes your children's toys.
What about my children?
Depends on if you want it to.
Okay.
But without it, it would be about a 10 times difference in your cleaning capabilities.
10 times?
We're going to clean your pool 10 times faster, 10 times more efficiently because of this camera.
So you have little wheels here.
Tracks, yeah.
But in the front, this is the scooper-upper for debris and whatever?
So this is where the debris is going to go into, and we're actually going to...
I was just going to ask you that.
Yes. This is the filter basket. We have a micro filter basket here. I believe this one is a 5-liter one.
So at the end of the day, when this will surface, right?
Let me get that in there. There we go. I was just going to press it down.
I've worked on these many times.
I don't want to get in your shot. So this one does not service. We do have
So how do I get to clean this out?
So with this one, it can go up to a surface. It can go up and be retrieved with a water surface retrieval. You pick it up out of a pool. You pull this out. You rinse it.
And all I do is just empty it, wash it out, and put it back in.
Absolutely, yeah. It's that simple.
So this will operate approximately 3 hours a day.
3 hours a day, and clean and be charged in just about the same. Most people.
So it goes back into an electrical recharger somewhere.
So it's a wireless charging dock. So you'll plug the charger into the charging dock into an outlet, but you'll just place this on the charging dock. You don't have to put a plug.
There's contacts
into,
that make connection and give it the
absolutely.
juice.
So
how many volts does this work on?
I do not know the answer to that.
How many horsepower is it?
I can tell you about the gallons per hour, but this is not a Ferrari. Gallons per hour is about 4,800 gallons per hour of filtration and suction.
What if my pool needs more?
Well, if your pool needs more, this is only the first in the line of the V3 series. This is the essential one, the one that for people who still want that smart, seamless cleaning experience but don't necessarily need all the bells and whistles. We do also, we're talking about it this weekend, the V3 Ultra, and that is your complete.
That's your big daddy.
That's our big daddy. That's our flagship right there.
Interesting. Is this available now in the market?
It will be available, I believe, end of February, quarter 1. So
very
month.
So
yeah.
Give me an idea. What does one of these cost?
Price is not confirmed. Price is not confirmed, but we're pricing this right now internally at $1,099 for this version, and for the Ultra, we are putting that at $2,299.
All right. Let me ask you a pointed question here. I got to ask these questions.
Absolutely.
I'm paying roughly $1,000 for this. When I put this in the pool, is this going to go on at 1 o'clock and off at 4 o'clock, or how does it know when the 3 hours are, or as soon as I put it in, it's going to go for 3 hours or 2 hours?
So we do have multiple modes in this. So if you choose to, you could put it in. It'll clean for the 3 hours, absolutely. We do have modes where if you put it in, if you select that mode, it's a periodic cleaning mode, and it'll clean for about 45 minutes every couple of days. So you'll get a full week's worth of clean if you want something that's just a little bit more maintenance-oriented than a full cleaning session.
So this is primarily to pick up debris that's in the pool?
Yes. So
doesn't deal with the pH or the chlorine or anything like that?
No, but we do have, and it's actually another AI-controlled or AI-powered device. We have the EcoSurfer Sinti, which we're also talking about at the Aiper booth. It is a pool skimmer, but it also has a integrated water quality management system.
So you're telling me it's going to automatically measure the pH and the chlorine and all that, and adjust accordingly?
All of that, and it'll have a chemical. It'll have dosing in there, so it'll start to help balance and protect your pool.
Does that exist now?
We have had the EcoSurfer line for the last couple of years, but the Sinti will be released later this year.
If I get one of these units, now I have a pool cleaning guy that comes once a week. Mm-hmm. He is there, I swear to you, no more than 20 minutes.
Sure.
Really. And the pool's usually pretty clean when he's gone, but he has one of these big nets, and he's scooping out the debris, and then he measures the chlorine and goes, and he's gone.
Sure. And if that works for you, that works for you.
Well, there are many days where he's gone. I'm like, what is all that black junk on the bottom of the pool? Why didn't you clean that up?
And if he's only there for 20 minutes,
he's only 20 minutes.
He's doing surface level visual cleaning, getting some leaves out. He's skimming it.
He cost me a lot of money. I don't remember what, but he's about. Oh man.
I mean, a lot of pool cleaning services that I'm aware of are either somewhere between $150 and $400 per week.
He's about $150 or $125 a week.
Yeah.
So doing the quick math, if he's $125, it's $500 a month.
So you're paying for this in 2 months.
That's what I'm saying, and this will get all that junk that's still laying on the bottom.
Not only will it get the junk on the bottom, but this is also going to be scrubbing your walls and water line. And
does it go up the wall?
It does go up.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
We're building up to the better stuff. Yeah.
So it will crawl up the walls.
It'll crawl up the walls. Yes, it'll scrub the walls of the water line and really work on getting that gunk, the grime, and stuff that he's not picking up with just a skimming net.
The camera will tell this device what needs to be cleaned, or if it's cleaned.
So the camera will specifically detect debris and other objects in your pool.
Right.
Selecting your mode. So if you want to just clean your walls, we have a mode for that.
Jeez. Why wouldn't you get one? I mean,
some people like to do chores. Some people think it's therapeutic. But for those people who don't, we're trying to find solutions to them, trying to give people back their time.
And this would do a better job than the dude I have now doing it, in general.
I mean, from the way you talk about him, yeah, absolutely. I would certainly put this up against him.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. No. And I mean, like, this is just the entry level. This is for the everyday pool owner. We're getting vanes for not just every pool owner, big pools, small pools, in-ground pools, out-ground pools. We're building devices similar to this for the entire yard. We have irrigation systems, skimmers.
I got a new product for you watching this.
Okay.
No, really. See, you think I'm crazy. But I've had tropical fish since I was a little kid.
Okay.
You get these 100, 200-gallon tanks. They're tough to clean.
Oh, absolutely.
You get a little one of these and put it in there. Oh, my God.
Well, I mean,
It's the same thing, but just smaller.
I'd still be worried about the fish, but
The hell with them.
I mean, if you want to get some quick sushi in, maybe we could work that end of a device too.
This is a killer device, and I'm very intrigued by it, especially when you look at the cost. You know, $1,200-ish sounds like, whoa, that's a lot of money. But when you think what you pay a month forever,
Right.
and the prices go up every year.
And it's not just your pool cleaner. It is the chemical dosing. It's the water circulation.
It's the whole bit.
That you lose.
It's why I hate my pool.
Well, maybe with this you're going to love your pool for once.
All right, I got to check this out. I'm very, very interested in it. It's just a great app. It really is nice.
We're happy to hear it. And again, we're announcing this and so many more other great things this weekend.
What's your website?
Aiper.com, and you can also check us out on social media, Instagram, Facebook.
It's AIPER.
AIPER, yes, sir.
Jason, thank you so much. You're going to leave this, and then...
You know what? Maybe for you, we could work something out.
All right.
It was a pleasure.
The pleasure was all mine. Very clever device.
The Tech Podcast Network's CES 2026 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Ravin Ford. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Brandy Jackson, and Beth Price. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Baine, Scott Ertz, and Serge Velasquez. Graphic design by Vicky Gonzalez. Executive producer emeritus Todd Cochran. Award production is provided by Amrock Fab Lab. Studio equipment is provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production. Copyright 2026.